Ka President Jukari India ka Tupodi Molmu kala teng mani jungo yaki benta jong ka Garo District. Haka ba menta kasi kan rotare kulan kot arajar arkusau kala banyak danlang haka jalang joki self group ke badan hapo tura. Haka nak skin na lawa bala play ka building ke bathama jika administrative building nak benta ke self group manam ta ke block ka President kala samru yaki Jingiarap dan ki fund nak benta ki village organization berkumjuru nak benta ke self group bakal ban jingo aru yaki jingshna baki tiarba paper ke belasna de ki hot joki self group ke bala pelang yaki exhibition haka de ke jaka ke bawan ke President.
हाँ लेकिन मैम बहुत सारी जगहों में क्या करते हैं वो मारते हैं ना हाँ मार देते हैं वो क्या है what is this ma'am is asking this is a table mat this one this is what huh no but this is for oh this is it's a oh my wall hanging bamboo का बना अच्छा ये मैं भी ये तो मोरा है बैठने का लेकिन बच्चे के लिए भी नहीं आया है खाली शो के लिए ज्वेलरी बॉक्स मैम दे आर योर फ्रॉम
check on behalf of all SHGs for an amount of ₹75 crores for 1,422 village organizations and an amount of ₹32 crores being sanctioned as bank loans from SBI, MRB and NCAB banks for 1,083 SHGs. Please put your hands together for our recipients today. Now we have awardees of certificates to 3 SHG women individually. Srimati Angela Makri, Lakpati Didi, who has earned an income of more than 1 lakh in a year. Srimati Angela Makri. Our second recipient is Srimati Vanilla D. Sama, who was just here sharing her side of the story, a Lakpati Didi. And finally, we have Srimati Tinamani Amara, a business correspondent who is an SSG member providing banking services to the last mile. Ms. Tinamani Amara.
Haka ni ka Jingialang nak lengkap Presiden kala yor banyak markhmat bakatukan nungut ki dekat jong ki self group.
ये तो मतलब मेरे टाइम से आगे अच्छा अरुण असर मैं कम कर so इनका begin microfinancing
Habakran hakan ni ka Jingialang nak lengkap Presiden kala yaro but ai boram yaki kintai ki bala trashtom lang baki self group bagi kenhur ki bape baper nak mata pakan tiu yo ka kon jogi than nong kandong.
A resident of Umpen village who has done exemplary work in adoption and promotion of natural farming practices. The Lakpati initiatives aim to transform the rural economy and improve quality